welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video because y'all will be able to see my Christmas tree decorated.
It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. When they play this, they gon' say that it's a vibe. They gon' hate you when you pull up in that drive. They gon' hate you when you pullin' up that nine. It's a vibe, it's a vibe.
Merry Christmas.
I know the last video, y'all thought that was the video when my tree was gonna be decorated. Nah, y'all, this is gonna be the video. At the end of this video, you're gonna see a tree decorated. I promise you that. I promise you. But first, I want to show you guys how I made my topper for my Christmas tree. It's very cute. I got everything from Hobby Lobby, and it's very easy. It's like so freaking easy. Anybody can do it. You just need the right things, and it doesn't have to be like mine. The reason why I chose to make my own topper is because I didn't want a traditional star. I didn't want like an angel on there. I didn't want it to be like all the other tree toppers. I wanted it to be unique. I wanted it to be my own. So if y'all wanna, do the tree topper just like me, that's cool. We friends, we family or whatever. I don't mind. But I just chose to do this because I didn't want to star an angel. I'm gonna be real. I just didn't. I wanted something different. I wanted something unique. Like I said, I got everything from Hobby Lobby. Everything is 50% off right now, so y'all need to go ahead and cop all your Hobby Lobby things before y'all be left with slim pickings and y'all sad. But right now we're gonna get into how I made my topper and the things that I used, and I'm gonna just, show you. Today you saw that I got all of this stuff from Hobby Lobby, and this is what's gonna bring my tree topper together. These pine branches came with these pine cones, but I decided that I wanted to use my childproof scissors because safety is important. I just snipped them off the little sides right here because I did not want to use the pine cones. I want to use just the branches. I also got these pearls, and I got these gold glittery leaves, right? So we're basically gonna put these items together so we can make our tree topper. So I'm going to grab the pine branches first because this is what I want to be at the bottom. What I'm going to be doing is I'm basically just gonna be putting these together because I want them to kind of look like one big branch. So you can adjust them however you want, like however you feel like you're gonna want to put them, but I want them to be like this. They're fine this way to me, and I think it's gonna be cute at the end. I just wanted to kind of look like one big old branch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my zip tie, and I want to zip these together because if you actually get your hands on these, you'll notice that these are actually pretty heavy, and that's another reason why I did not want those pine cones on, because they actually kind of weighed it down. They made it like heavier than what it already was. So this is the first step into making my tree topper. So this is how your tree branches are going to look. I realized I didn't tell you guys where I got these zip ties from. It's from a previous video that I had made. It's called Why Your Home Decor is Basic. You should go check it out. I did some really nice things to my living room wall. But anyway, back to this. This is how it's gonna start looking. Do I want to turn it over? Yeah, I'm gonna turn it over. So no, I'll just put it back because I'm gonna put something over it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to place these cute little leaves on top of it. I'm gonna place them side by side because I don't want them to be right on top of each other. I need for them to be kind of like side by side, like they're holding hands a little bit. And we're gonna put them together. So we're gonna put these on top of the tree branches, okay? And that's gonna be our second step into making our beautiful work of art. So this is what's so special about making your own tree topper. It's unique to you, so you just adjust it however you want. If you want it to be on the side like this, that's cool too. It's yours. I mean, you do whatever you want, but for me, I just gonna do it like this. That's it. That's all. I just gonna put them by each other. They gonna be holding hands and stuff. They sitting next to each other at church. They holding hands in prayer and stuff. So we just gonna go ahead, zip them on together. And I actually like using these zip ties because they hold really well. I thought about using tape, but the zip ties actually hold them together better, right? So this is my second step. So the last thing your girl is gonna do is I'm gonna place my little pearls on the tippy top of all of that. So this is gonna be the focal point. I'm gonna have these big old pearls as my focal point, and everything else is gonna be the background dancers and singers. So I'm basically just gonna do the same thing again. I'm going to get my good old zip ties, and I'm just gonna zip it up. And this is just like a 3-step tree topper, low key. Like it's literally 3 steps. I'm gonna zip tie some more of it at the bottom because I really want it to be secure. I don't want it to fall apart, because if it do fall apart, I'm gonna be sad. I'm gonna be really hurt, because this is what people are gonna see on top of my tree. This is like one of the first things that they're gonna notice, and they're gonna be talking about it. You know, a lot of people talk about like the tree toppers. They're like, oh, I love your topper, it's so cute, I love your angel, or you know, whatever you have up there. So I want my tree topper to be cute. I want it to be real nice and fancy, and that's what I feel like I achieved today. I'm so happy. So like I said, y'all can secure it as much as you want. You can put as many of them as you want. And it's green. These are green tree toppers. I got green ones because they came with the stuff that I did to my wall. You have to go see what I did on my wall. It's literally my very first video. It's the very first video that I ever put on YouTube. So y'all need to go check that out. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, so I feel like it's pretty secure now. I got like a whole bunch of zip ties on it. It feels like it's not gonna move. It's good. This is how it looks. So I'm just basically gonna take, you know, my childproof scissors, safety first, and I'm going to cut the ends. 1, 2, wait, 2, oh, maybe you want some sharper scissors, because these childproof scissors ain't really, you know, cutting that good whenever push come to shove. All right, and I have 2 more. All right, there we go. So now we have it. Now I'm gonna put it on my tree. Tree topper. I chose a DIY tree topper because I wanted it to be unique, but also I wanted it to have a little bit of height, because you see it's just like sprouting up there, makes my tree look a little bit taller. But guess what? This is the moment you've all been waiting for. We've done the tree topper, so let's get to the tree.